Friends, today we'll talk about Parkinson's disease. Parkinson's disease is a common disease of older people which is clearly identified by presence of trembling of hands. People while sitting keep getting a small tremor of their hands like this, or when they walk their hands keep trembling. Slowness, mask-like faces where you do not get expression on face, and stiffness of body. These patients have slow, short-stepped gait which clearly identifies these patients from other patients. So, the diagnosis of Parkinson's is easy. With these signs you can make it. However, most patients are not treated appropriately. What we would like to inform you is that Parkinson's happens because of decrease in dopamine, a natural substance that controls movement inside the brain. So, by supplementing dopamine to the body, these symptoms can be well controlled. So, if you go to a neurologist, he can diagnose your disease from various types of Parkinson's disease properly, because some Parkinson's respond to medicine very well and other type of Parkinsonism do not respond to normal medicine so well. Initially, it could not be diagnosed because the MRI of the brain is normal in Parkinson's disease. However, there are TRODAT scans today or dopamine scans which can diagnose Parkinson's disease even when the MRI is normal. Initially, there was only one drug which is called Syndopa or dopamine which used to help Parkinson's disease patients.
यदि आप इस तरह ही हेल्थ के बारे में जानना चाहते हैं तो सब्सक्राइब करें ये चैनल द हेल्थ केयर टुडे और बेल आइकन दबाएं ताकि हर नए वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन सबसे पहले आपको मिले.
However, now there are multiple drugs which actually increase the effect of dopamine in the brain, which are called dopamine agonists or MAO inhibitors, or other associated drugs which can help Parkinson's disease patients. Because Parkinson's disease patients have multiple kind of symptoms, they need various combination of these drugs to help them. So, a good neurologist who is interested in movement disorders can help you choose your drugs appropriately and time them to your symptoms in such a manner that the drugs are able to control your symptoms so that you can live a productive life. Sometimes patient thinks that they are only 80% better and not 100% better. To make all these symptoms zero is not the target of treatment in Parkinson's disease. The target of treatment is to effectively control for a good quality of life so that drug is not overused and it can be saved for a later date. Some patients later on start getting abnormal movements or some problems like hallucination while on treatment. These patients need to change their treatment to a new line of medication which can control these abnormal movements called dyskinesias, sudden freezing, or these hallucinatory treatments. Sometimes drugs stop responding in Parkinson's disease patients. These patients can be taken up for surgery called deep brain stimulation surgery, which is very effective in controlling symptoms of Parkinson's disease and which can be offered to Parkinson's disease patients. It is a very safe surgery and it helps to reduce the amount of medicine that a Parkinson's disease patient is taking. So, my suggestion to you is that get your Parkinson's diagnosed properly, then choose appropriate medicine among the various medicines which are available. Take them in the right manner as suggested by your doctor so that a Parkinson's disease patient can lead happy and productive life with normal activities of daily living.